Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to get free leads and free traffic and web traffic from Facebook. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do, of course, you need to have a Facebook page built. Okay, in this way, I manage this real estate firm here called the Houston Heights. I do all the marketing for this real estate firm. Okay, so what I want you to do from when you create your Facebook page, it's really easy to do. Just go to Facebook, then go into the pages on the left hand side. And I think we'll go back there together here. And then you just come over here to pages, see more. And then you see it might look different on here, pages. You see where I click pages right there. And then it has a big left sign, create new page, okay? But I manage all these pages already. So I'm going to come over here. Let's pretend, of course, you would have to put your banner, really easy to do. Put your little logo here, it's easy. Fill out all the information that they ask for, okay? And then I see a lot of clients when I take over advertising accounts, the first thing they do is start selling their leads. It's like they start selling their products. They start putting out what they have to offer. And what you have to do in any situation when advertising is that you can't come across too salesy. So what you have to do is give pertinent value that may be valuable to your audience. Okay, so in this situation, our audience, I know this audience very well, and they like dancing. They also like working on the home. So I actually shared these two posts that came across my personal Facebook page, and I just shared it to the page. And so this does two things, okay? Number one, you're inspiring the community. And number two, the people that you know, which is your sphere of influence, the people that refer business to you, you're helping them. And when you help someone, what do they want to do? They want to help you in return. So they can refer business to you if you're a marketing specialist, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever the case. You shared some information, you shared it to this page that you built up, and you gave them free advertising. And this one actually did really well. As you can see, 2,000 people reach, 35 engagements, so they really like that. The second one was a roofer, and I just basically put 5 words. This guy does good work. He did the rest. 240 each and 4 engagements. So, it may be only 4 engagements, but maybe, 2 of those landed. Maybe one of them landed a new client. It doesn't matter. So what I'm trying to get at is that you don't want to come across too salesy. You want to mix it up a little bit with some pertinent information that your audience may find valuable. So if you are selling sewing machines, then maybe try to find something with new fabrics, maybe a new fabric center that's coming in. If you're a lawyer, maybe some new legal stuff that maybe, I don't know, stuff like that that's pertinent to your audience that your audience may find valuable. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get them to hit that like button. So what happens with the Facebook algorithm, it notices that this person likes this type of topics, this type of page. He likes that page. So what they're going to do is continuously show your page to this client. And as long as they keep clicking like, they're going to see more and more of you until it snowballs. Okay, so now what we're going to do, as you can see here, now we sell the real estate part. Now guess what? It didn't do very well. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Creator Studio. You see this on the left side. I want you to go over to Creator Studio, and it's going to show you the numbers right off the back. Okay, it's going to show you what they call the distribution. The distribution is how Facebook, the algorithm, shows your post. Now these are organic posts, but what happens with the organic post, it gives you insight to what your audience likes and dislikes. Why is that important? Because if you understand what they like and dislike, then you can give them more of what they like and less of what they dislike. So here's a perfect example. This one had 1.4 distribution higher. So we're going to view this post and see why. So let's take a look here. So right off the back, I noticed they like that big blue pool. They like the price, maybe. It stands out. We had a bunch of clicks on it. Looks very good. And then let's also look at what they dislike. Okay, so this one was right here. More bad news today. Father killed in spring breast. They didn't like this bad news. It got some good clicks, but they didn't really like it too much. According to Facebook, it was only showed 806 times. So that's some good information, and what you do with it, like I said, for the good stuff, you show them more. And for the bad stuff, you show them less, okay? And the reason why is because you're going to be shown to them in their feed more and more and more, and the people that they know when they click like and all that good stuff. So this is one way to get organic leads. Once you determine the meat of what you're offering, like in this case, it will be real estate, of course. They like this one. This is where you can say you can double down on it, all right? Now you can say here and boost this post. Because why would you boost a post that's not doing well? Do you see? This is where it gets really cool now. It says, this is exactly what you want. So let's take one of the competitors right here. Let's go down and close this, and we'll come down to another house. This is a perfect example. This one right here, view post. Okay, so this one has a 4. So basically, it breaks it down into quadrants. They didn't like that setup. So why would you throw money at an advertisement when it's not doing well organically? So it's like you have an insights to what they like, and just double down on it, and that's it. So in summary, what you're going to do is create a Facebook page. You're going to start throwing up posts that are relevant to the audience that you're going after. You don't want to come across too salesy. So what you're going to do is mix up like news, events, and pertinent, valuable information. And then I would say 1 out of 4, 25% of the time, you're going to actually throw the meat of what you're offering to sell. So 25% of the posts are what you will be posting. The other 75% may be events that's happening in the area, events that are important to the audience, some pertinent information that's somehow important to the audience, so that we can keep showing up in their feed. Does that make sense? If it does, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'm Alan at affiliatemarketingmark.com. If you like to have this funnel builder, some of the funnel builders I use and marketing techniques, go to gogohighlevel.com. That's gogohighlevel.com. We give you a free trial, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.